The rights of a child. The right to a name and nationality. The right to affection, love, and understanding. The right to special care if disabled. The right to be brought up in a spirit of peace. The right to learn to be a useful member of society and to develop individual abilities. The right to adequate nutrition and medical care. The right to be protected against all forms of abuse and violence. The right to be among the first to receive relief in times of disaster. The right to protection against all forms of neglect, cruelty, and exploitation. The right for free education and to full opportunity for play and recreation. The right to enjoy these rights regardless of race, color, sex, religion, national or social origin.